Hi. After logging into your account, go to the main panel on the left side of your dashboard. Choose My Creation. Bio. Press plus icon. Scroll down. Hit blank dot and let's create your bio from scratch. Now, this is your creation workspace. To help you to be familiar with the application, we will start by describing the tool panels. On your left side, if you click on the plus icon, the element panel will slide to the right to show out elements that help you to build your bio. Structures. You can drag and drop the division element which fits your bio or section design. Typography. To drag the text type you need inside the division. Media. To drag the frame where you can upload your media into, or to add a YouTube link. Form templates. Is to help you to ask visitors for contact information, feedback, or to subscribe to your newsletter. Forms. In forms you can drag and drop web page objects as sufficient to your design and requirements. Advanced. Are objects that can be connected by hyperlinks to external websites, or to different sections on the same bio page. On the right side, the editing tool panel will help you to edit every single object within your bio structure. Structure. Helps you to build your bio to fit the desktop, view mobile view, or tab review. Styling applying on, is to choose what effect you want to be done when cursor hitting a button or a link. Typography. To edit a selected text font, weight, size, height, color, alignment, and decor. Border. Helps you to control the borders of any object within your design. Its color, width, corner radius, and styling. Dimensions. To control the object dimensions. Dimensions gap, width, height, their maximum values, margins that are used to specify object position within its division from top, right, bottom, and lift. Padding. This tool does the same thing as margins but for the pads inside the object, such as the image to its frame, or the text to the text block, or for the inner division to its container division. Layout. Is to choose how the division and its pads are related to each other. Background. For every object on the bio, you can choose a specific background solid color, and its transparency, or you can choose an image as a background. Animation. To choose how different objects will animate, and for how long, while a viewer scanning out your bio. Opacity. To control the transparency of any object within your bio. Finally, the upper panel, where you can save your bio, undo or redo your actions, and to go back to dashboard. First, drag navigation bar from advanced in the left side panel to your workspace. You can edit it as you wish using the tool panel on the right side. Also, you can control the text inside the nav bar. To build the home section, drag a single block division from structure. The green reference line tells you if the division will be placed above, or under the other division on your workspace. Set dimension and margin values suitable for your design. Set background. We chose an image for background. To add your name, or a title, drag and drop a heading. Place it wherever you wish. Edit your text. Select typography, weight, size, height, color, alignment, and decor. Remember, You can change any object size or position by controlling its dimensions and margins. For more text if needed, drag a text block. Repeat editing steps as per your design requirements. Also, you can copy and paste the edited text block to maintain the same layout for your different texts. The multi-block divisions can be used to show work gallery, comparison, photos with text articles, etc. Here, we use the 4 blocks division to feature Dan's fields of experts. Resize the division and set its margins as you wish. You can get smoother object corners by increasing object radius. Repeat all editing steps for the other 3 blocks, and change their backgrounds. To add an image to your bio, or bio section, just drag an image frame from media. Specify its margins and dimensions. Double-click on the frame to choose the image you wish to upload. Add some text to describe the image, or what fits your preferences. Which makes LYNKP better and easier tool for building biography, is that you can easily repeat the dragging and editing steps. Another important feature of LYNKP, if you chose a single block division, and you wanted to add another block, or blocks without losing your work. Simply you can select the block and press duplicate on the small blue toolbox on the object's left corner. Like here, we dropped a single block division. Hence, duplicated the block into 2 blocks division to put text beside a photo. As shown, image size can be set by shifting image borders. Adding a button to your bio is no different than adding any object as explained before. Drag it from form, set its margins, dimensions, borders, and corner radius. From styling applying on, we chose hover as an effect on the button, and selected another background color for the hovering effect. To build the services section, we added a new multi-block division to the workspace. Set its margins and dimensions. Drag a heading block into it. Notice the green line reference where we wanted to put heading at the top of the block. Again, change background, add images, text, button, etc. Duplicate text, repeat steps to complete the section, or you can easily just duplicate the block and replace image and text as we did previously. An important key feature of LYNKP is that you can build your bio as a web page, just by dragging, dropping, and editing objects. In this section, we will show you how to do this. Drag a multi-block division. We use 2 blocks 1. Set dimensions and margins. Drag an image frame to one of the blocks, customize it, and upload your image into it. Drag a heading to the other block to put a title, customize it. Now drag another multi-block division, and drop it inside the block just under the heading, set its parameters as you prefer. This will help you to organize the section as if it is a separate bio, or page within your bio structure, which you can edit it, and edit pads inside it. Continue building your bio, section by section, adding divisions, blocks, objects, apply edits as suitable for your preferences to provide more and additional information about yourself in a professional and elegant way. Finally, We will connect every section in the Bible into its title on the navigation bar. Write section titles in order on the navigation bar. To connect every section to its title on the navigation bar, head to the section, select its heading, or select the section division borders. Copy its ID from menu highlights on the tool panel. Now, go back to select the section title on the navigation bar. Paste the copied ID besides the hashtag symbol in the section highlight box. Click Apply. Repeat this for every section of your bio, till you connect all sections to their titles on the navigation bar. Put your final touches on the design before saving it. Now your bio is ready to be published. Thank you for watching.